like to preface this video by saying this was not part of the plan. I was just eating breakfast and then I'm gonna cut my hair because I'm tired of my hair. Have a vision in mind of something that will make me feel cute. So I'm gonna do it all by myself, but I have to get this egg off my chest first. Okay, I got the bulk of it off. So this is what my hair looks like now. I dyed it probably 2 years ago, or not dyed it, but lightened it. And I've just noticed it's so damaged and really, really thin at the bottom. I don't know, I mean, it looks okay. I need something different. And I found all of this henna in my linen closet. So I'm gonna use that. And we're also gonna talk about mental health on our adventure today. So overthinking has been part of my entire adult life, and I'm tired of it. I shouldn't say I'm tired of it. I'm more accepting of it, and I just let it happen and like recognize it and be like, hey man, you're overthinking, so stop. I'm not into it anymore, you know. And there's no point in overthinking cutting my own damn hair, because every time I go get a haircut, I don't like it. So why don't you just do it yourself, you know? It does help that I'm an artist. So I'm gonna part it down the back into like 2 sections. Let me preface something else. This is not a how-to tutorial. This is just the combination of things that I have looked up videos for and what I'm assuming will work. Along with not overthinking comes patience. Patience with yourself, patience with your hair, because this parting down the middle thing is just not working for me. I just do it. Oh my god. No, it's not centered. Perhaps this shall be my new look. I look like my mom in the 70s.
Something that keeps knocking at my brain. Before I go insane, I hold my pillow to my head. This morning, I woke up with this feeling.
I was gonna cut my hair and dye it red cause I'm psycho. I just realized I was supposed to wet it, dampen it before I did all this. Oh, shit's getting crazy around here. I have no qualms with that. I'm getting rid of all this. How do you turn this on? I don't know if that's short enough, to be honest. I have no depth perception. Aha! I have a little nubbin. Oh my god, it feels so healthy. Oh, I'm so sorry I neglected you for so long. Well, that's another thing. Let's talk about that. Neglecting ourselves, neglecting our self-care. This is a self-care thing, for sure. I didn't feel pretty with my long hair, and now look at it, it feels so soft already. Oh my god. And this is just so satisfying, you know, when you do it yourself and it's like, man, I've wanted this for so long and I'm making it happen for myself, you know? And I'm not afraid of short hair, because I've had a pixie cut before, so in fact, I definitely look better with short hair, and I know everyone says that I looked really cute with that short hair, but man, did I not feel cute at all. I hated it. And so that's why I grew it out long, and I'm like, what the fuck, I don't like this either. Man, I could go even shorter, but I don't mind having a little pony. Ooh, that looks weird. Ew, look at that. That looks stupid. Not convinced by those. Not convinced. Not what I'm going for. Oh my god. I'm not left-handed. Fuck. Not into this so far. Okay. Not sure if I'm into the whole feather thing. Maybe we should just go like this. Just pretend I did not do that. looks so bad. I didn't consider the fact that, like, I'm right-handed and it's gonna be, well, no, this side is like, oh no, I can do that way easy. What the hell? Okay, I'm gonna go in and just, shit, my hair's supposed to be wet. Did you see my Instagram post? Is that what I called?
Oh no, did you Instagram post?
Yeah, I'm cutting my hair right now.
Whoa, why are you doing that?
Because I was tired of my hair.
Why are you, honey, wait. You don't know how to cut hair.
So?
Jamie,
What?
why are you doing that? Your hair was so damn gorgeous.
I hated it. It was completely dead.
Okay.
You caught me in the middle of it. I'm not even close to being done.
Okay. What color is your shirt?
My breakfast. That, my friends, is a lesson in... I don't really know how to describe that. Mother just clearly disapproved of what I was doing. I'm not going to let my mother's opinion, or really anyone else's, to sway my shit. So, I am losing for this a little bit. I do need some layers though. I just want to get it colored and I just want to shower and I kind of want this to be over. Kind of bummed me out a little bit. I don't think this is really doing anything. I'm just like putting the scissors in my hair. I mean, she's right, I don't know how to cut hair. I know how to make art. So that's the same thing, right? I understand why she's concerned. Because I do, I'm preparing the henna by the way. Because I do impulsive shit and they typically go wrong. I have been sitting on this for actually longer than just today. Is this supposed to have lumps in it? Man, it smells good as fuck. Okay, I'm gonna add some jojoba oil because I hear it's good. And this is what my mom was talking about. I'm also gonna add tea tree oil, which this is not a good quality tea tree oil. I probably should have not done that. Oh well. There is henna all over my sink. Is that gonna stain it? Use right hand with the brush. This hand. Yeah, that's what we'll do. Okay. Oh, you know what I should do while I'm at it? I'm gonna take the rest of what's in the bowl and see if it'll work as freckles. Ew, there's still egg on my arm. I am gonna be a whole new person after this. Cute, but because this is red henna dye, I'm not sure how that's gonna turn out. Happy to announce that the sink cleaned up just fine. Wait, I was supposed to spray that directly into my roots. Okay. I'm definitely not a part down the middle kind of person. I'm more of like that kind of person, so I gotta get away from this because I am not into that. We're gonna go like that. Okay, so I'm getting some like smoothing serum on. Yeah, it looks fine as long as I like do this. In my opinion. I feel like I could use a little more layers. I kind of look like Matilda over here. So maybe just texture it up a little bit. Maybe I should have done my eyebrows. My eyebrows are really obnoxious as they are. I'm done with this thread. Okay, this has been another dysfunctional DIY that turned out sufficiently. Thank you.